Hello and welcome back to my channel. So today's read is gonna be for all the Capricorns out there, and it'll be for the month of August 2020. Let's see what we have coming up for all the Capricorns. If this reading resonates with you, do let me know in the comment section below, and if you like it, don't forget to hit the like, subscribe and click on the bell icon so you get notified whenever I post any future videos. Usually I post messages from the universe on a daily basis, so if you would like to hear that as well, you may want to subscribe to the channel. Okay, let's see what we have coming up for all the Capricorns for the month of August 2020. Capricorns for the month of August 2020. Capricorns. Okay, Capris. Okay. Okay, Capricorns. So I see in the recent past there was some kind of a tensed situation that you were dealing with, maybe in your job or maybe in your love life. I do see that it was more or less, it could be different for different people. Like it could be a tense situation in your job, or it could be a tense situation in your love life. Maybe you expected it that it's going to give you a lot of abundance, but eventually it turned out to be different than what you were expecting it. And in the present situation you were expecting, because as I said that you had expectations from this thing, you had a lot of expectations. Let me just clarify if it's more of a career situation or if it's more of like your love situation. Okay. So I do see it's more of a love situation for all the Capricorns out there. So whatever you were expecting from this person, maybe you were expecting this person to be, maybe you thought that this person is the one for you, that you were gonna lead your life with, but it did not turn out that well. You got to know something about this person, the whole situation turned upside down. You were expecting a new start with this person, but you were thinking that this person is going to give you abundance and love and everything, but you were left heartbroken, or you are left heartbroken by this person, and yeah, you are not in your complete strength at the moment. You are not in your complete power at the moment. You're still thinking what happened, why all this happened, why this person did what they did. You're still in a situation which is like a shocking moment for you. But I do see you coming back into your strength. I do see you coming back into your strength. And in the near future, I do see the same person coming into your life again. Yeah, in the month of August, I do see this person coming back into your life, because neither this person has forgotten you nor you have forgotten them. Maybe it was just that this situation just went too fast, that maybe the other person was not ready for whatever you were expecting from them. Maybe that person was not ready for a commitment or something, but they were unable to forget you, or they are unable to forget you. So yeah, I see this person coming back into your life, and I see you also, that You're still waiting for this person. You still haven't gone out of you still haven't come out of that situation. It's not that easy for both of you to come out of the situation, and eventually I see you starting a new life with this person. Yeah, I do see you both starting a new life with each other, because eventually what happened is when you both came back, you both learned your lessons in that much time, that maybe before that person was not expecting and you went too fast in the situation. But now, since this person knows, they're gonna make up their mind, and when they will come back to you, they will come back with the same mindset. They will come back with the mindset of having a commitment with you. I do see a commitment here. I do see that you will be choosing this person's gonna choose you. You both together are gonna make up a new house. You both together are gonna start your love life. You both are gonna start your married life, I can say here. Yeah, so maybe it's just that the situation just went really fast. But definitely I do see you both coming back together and starting a new life. Also, you both will be starting a new, maybe if you're in a business, or maybe if you were business partners before, or maybe you're gonna be business partners now. You both are gonna start a business together, or you both are gonna start a life together, yes, but your love life is definitely gonna be with this person. But also your job, your career is also, you both are interconnected. Maybe this is the person at your workplace, but yeah, you both, yeah, maybe this is a person at your workplace or something, or maybe you both are business partners. So you both are gonna work together, make a new home together, which will be abundant. Your finances will be, you'll be abundant in your finances. You will have a lot of finances. Your business will be flourishing if you are having a business, or maybe you both will be promoted or something. But I do see you both starting a new business together here. I see you both starting a new life, a new career, and a whole new life together. Yeah, you both will be reconciling in the month of August for sure. Yeah, I just feel that it just went too fast. Maybe that time this person didn't have love and all in their mind, but now this person, whenever they'll come back to you, definitely they will have this thing in their mind that you are ready for it. Let's see. Let me just clarify whether this person will approach you or how it's going to work out. Okay. Okay, so this is not the ending to this. This is not like the happy ending yet. Like, it's not like a happy ending at the moment. Because I do see eventually this person's gonna come into your life. Eventually you both will be together, you'll be abundant. But before that, before all that can happen, The thing is, this person will be expecting. I don't think this person will be expecting something. I have to clarify this person's energy, what they are actually up to. Just clarify. Okay, so, okay, this, okay, right, yeah, okay, perfect. I do see you both eventually starting a new house, but the problem here is not that. The problem here is not that this person doesn't want it. This person definitely wants it. It's just that this person is confused. See, as I said, this just went a little too fast as per this person, and they are not ready for a new start in their life in regards to love. They are more concentrated on something else in their life. Maybe they were just not ready for having a commitment. Maybe they're not just ready at the moment. So that person will be just in their own life, but that person will be still thinking about you all the time. And maybe not in the month of August. I don't see reconciliation in the month of August, but sometimes you may feel that this person is gonna betray you or something, but nothing like that is gonna happen, because eventually I do see you both getting married. I do see you both starting a new house, traveling together, or maybe you traveling to your family or somewhere. But you both will be together eventually. You both are going to be together eventually, and even you will be a little bit hesitant this time. You will be a little bit hesitant to approach this person this time, because of the past experience, right? That is completely understandable. You will be a little bit out of balance, but all this will soon come together. That person's energy at the moment is like they are not ready. They don't have the strength to start a relationship in their life. They don't have the strength to have a commitment in their life at the moment. So even though this person comes in your life, they're just gonna imbalance your own life. So what my suggestion is that just let the situation be as it is and do not think too much about it, because this person is eventually gonna come into your life. This person is the one for you. This person, you're gonna start a new life with this person for sure. And this person will come to you. You will see whenever it'll be the divine timing, whenever it'll be the right time, this person will come into your life. But I think before that, you need to focus more on your job, or maybe on your career, or maybe on your business. There is something that you need to focus more on at the moment, and just don't focus on this person. Whenever this person has to come, divine is eventually going to bring this person in your life for sure. There is no if or but in that situation. Just don't imbalance your own emotions, don't imbalance your own life because of the things this person is doing, because this person already does not know what they are up to. Like, they are not ready for this kind of love situation. If you keep going back to this person again and again, they are gonna just back off. They will keep on resisting that change. They are simply resisting a new start in their life. But eventually they'll have to do it. It's just that it's not the divine time right now, and I don't see the divine time coming up, at least in the month of August. But eventually you will be with this person, starting a new life, or start having a new house with this person. So just see, there is something else right now that you need to focus more on. So yeah, you need to see what you need to focus more on at the moment. There is something else that needs more of your focus. Maybe it's your career, maybe it's your job. If it's not anything, just meditate and be at peace, calm your mind, try to be more intuitive, try to be more spiritually active, so you can actually get yourself out of this situation easily. Eventually this person has to come, but just not at the moment. It's not the divine time right now. And it's not because of you, it's because of the other person, because the other person still needs to grow, the other person still needs to have that mindset, have that strength, so they can come into your life and you both can build a new house together. So yeah, that was the reading for Capricorns. And yeah, that's what I see for all the Capricorns out there. It's a very nice read. Just see what you need to focus on right now. There is something else that needs your focus. So you need to find that point in your life. The other person, whatever they are going through, just try not to, you know, I would say just try not to enter into their life a lot, because that's simply just gonna hurt you, because they are not in the same state of mind as you. Okay, so this person's eventually gonna come to you. You will be with this person. It's just that it's not the right time. At least in the month of August, I don't see the divine time has come. It's just gonna be like coming and going, coming and going. Just try to meditate yourself out of the situation. Do not imbalance your emotions. If you imbalance your emotions in one way, it's gonna affect other things in your life. Don't let it affect other things. That's why I'm telling you to focus on something else, which you find more important right now. This person is eventually gonna learn their lessons and come back to you. So don't worry about that. Divine knows what's going on. So just have peace with your inner self and wait for the divine timing. Okay, so that was the reading for all you Capris out there, and I will see you all in the next one. See you, bye bye, take care.